Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get control panel with more features in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you the default control panel present on our respective Windows computer. So this is the default control panel. So you can see here by the category view and by large view and the small icons view. So only this much of features available inside this default control panel. So in order to get a control panel with more features, what you need to do is just open any web browser and the Google search for one application name as classic and extended control panel. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Just scroll down below. Now you'll see here download option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now just double click it to run this software installer. So now you can see the user interface of this software. So you can see here on the above the different options, the classic. So you can see below all the options and next to it is the extended. So under the extended, it will extend all the respective options present inside in each different options. So you can see here a tons of options which is being extended, and next is our choice box. You can choose anything here, whichever options you wanna choose inside this classic and extended control panel options. And next to it is a group. So under the group you will see here tons more options which are being categorized under the respective groups here, as you can see here. And next to it is a favorite, so you can favorite your respective options directly here. So right now there is no any favorite, so in order to favorite, just put your mouse cursor on the respective extended option and just right mouse click on it, and you can see here add to favorites. You can add it to favorites here directly. And the last option is a popular, so whichever applications you have access it will be added to the popular options. So these are the options you will gonna get inside this classic and extended control panel. So in my opinion, using this classic and extended control panel, you will get control panel with more features in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.